हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है परवेज अहमद और आप देख रहे हो टेक्निकल परवेज। आज हम अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे Xiaomi Redmi 14C। तो ये एक नया फ़ोन हम लेकर के आपके लिए आ गए हैं। आप देख सकते हैं इसका बॉक्स और डिज़ाइन काफ़ी बढ़िया यूनिक दिख रहा है, लेकिन हम अंदर से देखते हैं कि इसके अंदर कैसा है, क्या है। और इज़ मोर देन Note 14, better than Note 14 or Note 14 Pro, but I don't think is good quality because you see this there is so to 8 GB RAM, but that side is so to 4 GB plus 4 GB external. That is cheating with client because client first show to this 8 GB 128 GB RAM. First cheating this there, and second we'll see. So let's start to open box, and you see this one is powered by Xiaomi HyperOS, 50 megapixel AI dual camera, massive battery, 5160 mAh, and powerful Octa processor, powered by 18-watt fast charging support. Redmi 14C with your favorite Google apps. Google is a trademark of Google LLC. So this one is a phone. Let's open to inside in box. There is about one SIM ejector tool. Second, have some documentation. Case, white color and very smooth. The design is very weak. Camera design is very weak, and side to fingerprint. You see this 18-watt charging adapter designed by Xiaomi, and A to C type data cable. Let's open to phone. फोन का कलर बहुत ही प्यारा है, आप देख सकते हैं। फोन का कलर बहुत ही प्यारा है। You find out is a downside is a have a C-type charging port, one mic, single speaker, upper side the 3.5 mm का jack, full size SIM tray, but the color is very good. Color is very good. So please subscribe my channel and like, comment. Don't forget. Thank you.